A German Condor Boeing 757 carrying 273 passengers from Corfu to Düsseldorf turned into a nightmare in the skies. Just minutes after takeoff, witnesses heard a loud bang and saw flames shooting from the right engine. The pilots immediately declared an emergency and diverted to Brindisi, Italy. Thankfully, the plane landed safely, and no injuries were reported. Cause? A suspected bird strike or airflow disturbance. Either way, aviation safety and quick thinking saved lives once again. Would you still fly after seeing this? Subscribe and smash the like button.
Cade, fra mo cade, ha preso il piccione! Raga mo cade, fra! In diretta, fra, ma che cazzo sei malato?
Che sei malato? Sta scendendo.
What the?
Sì, ma mo andò a